Compare Foods, FlyTy and Jacinda here, and there's so much to celebrate in June, from Father's Day to graduation celebrations, Juneteenth, and the start of summer.
And I'm ready! Yes!
What are you most excited for June?
I'm excited to have fun on Compare Foods Beach.
With so much to celebrate, it's the perfect time of year to fire up the grill and invite your family and friends over, sit outside on the patio, and enjoy your favorite meal. It doesn't matter the occasion. Maybe you want to have a picnic in the park, have family dinner, or enjoy your backyard. Compare Foods is your one-stop shopping for everything you need to make this summer the best summer yet. We have the best food, best seafood, best produce, you name it, we have it. Stop by one of our 6 Compare Foods Charlotte locations and enjoy the best of your summer.
It's so much fun. I love my summers right here at Compare Foods.
I do too. Stay in touch with us. Follow us on social at Compare Foods CLT.
It's FlyTy and Jacinda for Compare Foods TV.